Question 3. Box A, B, and C each contain a certain number of fruits. When a third of the fruits in box A and a quarter of the fruits in box B were placed into box C, they each had 36 fruits. How many fruits were in box C at first? Again, box C at first, the keywords, hence I'm going to work my way backwards, starting from the last information. Then I'll draw it all the way until I achieve the model, which is at first. So I'm going to work it backwards until I achieve the model at first. So what is at the end? We have box A, we have box B, and we have box C. They each had 36 fruits, so equal number. That is the meaning, right? So box C, okay, let me start with A. So they have 36 fruits. So here, equal number, 36, 36, and 36. Alright, so box C, it's 36. This is from receiving, after receiving from A and B, we have C at 36, 36, 36. Alright, so we are done with this. Moving back, what happens to B? A quarter of the fruits in B were transferred to C. So after giving away a quarter of the fruits in B, you should be left with 3/4. Hence, let's draw 3/4. Alright, so this is the 3/4 that remains. A quarter of this went down. But we know that all these are 36, isn't it? This whole thing is 36. So we know, in actual fact, it's 12. Okay, let me use another color. 12, 12, 12. Alright, so we are done with B. Let's go to A. What happens to A? A third of the fruits in A was given to C. 1/3. So you give away 1/3, you are left with 2/3. Hence, you are left with just 2 units off. Alright? So 1/3 went down. How many fruits are there in each box here, each unit here? 36 divided by 2, we will get 18. 18. Alright, if you want, I can just simply draw out the missing 1/3. Alright, that was given. And for B, this is the missing a quarter that was given to C. So this went down, this went down. Therefore, how many fruits were in box C at first? I think from here, it is quite straightforward to see the answer, isn't it? You just need to take 36 minus 12 minus 18. Alright, we're going to return the 12 back to B, return the 18 back to A. However, well, we need to write some workings, isn't it? 1/3 of the number of fruits in box A, that will be 36 divided by 2 to get 18. Second step, probably you can write it here. A quarter of the fruits of the number. Okay, let's be clear. It's talking about the number of fruits in box B. 36 divided by 3 to get 12. And then we can finally arrive at the answer. Number of fruits in box C at first. So it's 36. We return the 12 to B and return the 18 to A. And we'll be left with 6. And that is the answer.